Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Here we have our alphabets and we will fill it in our mode. If you are new, then kindly subscribe. So we will fill our alphabet in this mode. So let's get started. First letter we got a Z. It's a Z for zebra. Here we fit a Z. Then next letter we got it's a M. It's a M. Where is M? Yes. Here is M. M for monkey. Then next letter we got H. It's a H. We feel H here. H for horse. Next letter we got T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Next letter we got A. A is for apple. Here A is for apple. This is a K. K for kite. Here is a K. K for kite. Next we got O. O is for orange. O for orange. Next we got Q. It's a Q. Q for queen. Q is for queen. Here is a C. C for cat. C. Next we got S. S for sheep. S is for sheep. B. B for ball. B is for ball. Next we got R. R is for rat. R is for rat. P. P for parrot. Next we got X. X for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Next letter we got V. V is for van. V for van. This is a D. D for dog. D is for dog. Next letter we got G. G for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Next we got U. U for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Next E. E for elephant. E is for elephant. Then F. F for fish. F is for fish. Next letter we got L. L for lion. L is for lion. Next we got W. W for watch. W is for watch. Next is I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. So Y. Y is for yak. Y for yak. N. N for nose. And last letter we got J. J is for jug. Here we complete our alphabets. Thank you so much kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.